Hey everyone, what's going on? Nando Sirianni here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've been having a high demand on a beard tutorial. You guys have been messaging me on Instagram, TikTok. So today I've decided to finally take you through that tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you the exact machines I've been using, what number I use on the sides, the middle, the mustache, everything in this video you're gonna love. I'm gonna cover all of it. So enough talking, let's get right into this. So first things first, let's go over exactly what you need to do before you actually go ahead and start shaving your face to avoid any rashes, any cuts. So the first thing I do, I put a warm towel on my face for about a minute, just so that I open up the pores on my face, and that just makes it easier when you are shaving and using the clipper, the liner, so it avoids cutting yourself. So now I'm gonna be showing you exactly what kind of machines you need to be using for this process. There are four main machines that I use to do this process on my face. We're gonna be using a edger / liner like this, and you'll be seeing how I use all of these when I go ahead and start. Then we're gonna be using a clipper like this, and no, this video is not sponsored by any of these companies. And then we have a close shaver to get rid of the stubble on the neck and like the cheek, and then a comb, of course, to do a little bit more details on your face. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna be showing you exactly how I'm gonna be starting this off. First up, I'm gonna take the liner and I'm actually gonna clean up my neck underneath here, all this hair, and I'm gonna create kind of a line right across here. I don't wanna bring it too high up, or else it's gonna look like my hair is starting on the bottom of my chin. So I'm gonna take this and let's get into it. So now that I have created that line, I'm gonna make it nice and crisp now and really smooth it out with the shaver, because I wanna get rid of all the stubble on my neck. Next up, I'm gonna be now shaping my beard. I usually like to do a lot shorter on the sides and then leave it a little bit longer in the middle and then on the mustache. Now, I'm gonna be going in with the clipper with a 1.5 millimeter, and I'm just gonna go up towards the middle, across whatever pathway your hair kind of goes. You gotta kind of see and what actually takes it off. So in my case, my hair goes all over the place, so I have to kind of play with it and see what's taking it off. But I'm not gonna bring it too low into my goatee here. I'm only gonna stop about just around the mustache right here. So now that the sides are nice and short here, I wanna go ahead and blend in the middle with the mustache. And now I'm gonna go in with a 6 millimeter right in the middle here in the mustache. Now with the liner here, just to clean up my mustache a little bit more and not make it so aggressive, I'm actually just gonna pull all the hairs down towards the middle, like that. I'm gonna trim right around the mustache. And then we can do this. We can also pull up on it. This is where you guys actually ask me how I do that separation part in between my mustache and the goatee. So I literally take this liner and I bring it up towards the mustache. Now that I went in with the edger and the liner there, I'm gonna now take the shaver and I'm gonna get rid of these little stubble hairs on the cheek. There you have it. I have a little bit of a separation in between the cheek here and my mustache. I just find that it actually just makes my face look a lot longer. That's why I just do it. But that's pretty much the tutorial right there. And anything else I could just like really touch up on after if I want to, you know, get more into detail. But sometimes I also even leave like a space underneath the goatee here. But I don't know, today I'm probably just gonna leave it like that. You know, but that's it. It's honestly just, it just takes practice sometimes, you know, just doing it over and over and over again. I'm still not amazing at it at all. I actually go to the barbershop as well, like every week almost, or every 2 weeks, just to kind of, you know, reshape it and then get it done again. During COVID, it was kind of, you know, hard because I had to keep shooting photos, videos, so I always wanted to keep my mustache and my beard, you know, intact. So I had to kind of learn a little bit and then buy the equipment and try and do it myself. But I hope this video tutorial helps you guys, and that's it. And then I'm probably just gonna rinse my face now with a cold towel just to rinse off and then close the pores now and get all these little hairs off of my cheeks and my face. Thanks so much everyone for tuning into that video. I hope you all learned something and can find this video useful and use it in the future when you are doing your beard. Now if you did like this video, please hit that like button for me and subscribe to my channel because I'm posting new content like this every single week. And I'll see you all in the next video.